Okay, so the good news is there's quite a few ceiling fans here. Bad news is I don't see any older ones. Got these small ones, 2 Menards, and then like a Monte Carlo thing. Oh, here's some more. Another Menardsy thing. A lot of blades. We'll look over there in a second. I just want to skim here first. What are these down here? Anything I can use? Well, there's only 3 of them, so probably not. Not a great sign. I could probably use those if there was... Well, maybe I'll still get them. How much are they? $1.50. Yeah, I think I will. Because I can always use those brackets. Here's some Hunter. Old motor. Yeah, I think I'll grab those. Anything else? Fun fact, I found one of my all-time favorite fans in this restore, which is the K63 Shrouded Blender. And I think I found a couple other cool things here. But it's just, you know, like most things are hit and miss. Okay. Thanks for watching.